Takulandirani pano pa Lahiri TV pamene timakupasirani mapulogalamu osiyanasiyana chomwe tingakupempheni share komanso subscribe pano pa Lahiri TV kuchimake kwa Nkhani komanso ta Facebook mukapange follow Lahiri Facebook kuti zambiri zikupezani mosavuta. Kunena chilungamo ku parliament ulendo uno MCP yakumana nazo fa DPP yang'anala yakwiya UTM ayi ikugwira ntchito. MP ya UTM mukugwira ntchito mwamphamvu kwambiri, MP ya DPP mukugwira ntchito kwambiri. Tichiziwe chilungamo chinapeza Saulos chilima. Ulendo uno kulibe MP opusa ku parliament. DPP UTM yamanga chimozi kuti tiziwe chilungamo chomwe chinapeza Saulos chilima. Ndipo kunena chilungamo MP Amalo Congress Party ali mazi ndipo ali pa ntchito chachikulu kwambiri. Ndipo agwira ntchito yosusa osati masewera ndipo osati zibwaga. Kuli azimayi olimba mtima oziwa kuyankhula achilungamo kuifinya MCP mosayinyengerera. Inu a UTM munangochita chibwana kusapanga alliance ndi DPP. Munangochita mistake kamala kabambe maopako ndani maikaliati. Pano pano mukugwira ntchito yolozeka koma mapanga chibwana kwambiri kusapanga alliance ndi DPP.
If I do not touch the Chikangawa issue, of all the people that are touched, I'm one of them. Yes, we want the commission of inquiry. Yes, we want it resumed. Yes, we want it refreshed. Yes. Why? Because we were not convinced with the report that we got. Yes. We still have questions, Mr. Speaker, sir. Yes. Black books. There are so many questions that need answers. Yes. I was there that morning at the airport waiting for Dr. Saulos Kraus Chilima. I waited for hours to no avail. I was there when they said the plane was missing. I was there when we were told that it's been seen or it has been crashed in Chikangawa near a tower. I was there, honorable members. I was there when the search was commissioned. I was following behind the army cars and the police car that went for searching. I was there. We were using our phones to check on the roads. Where do you check ndege on the street? Where on earth? I was there, Mr. Speaker, sir. I was there when the search was called off at 8 p.m. I was there. Yet we are told the search was not called off. I was there driving back to Muzuzu behind an army car. I was there. If there is a fresh inquiry, I'm one of those people that they must start with. And I was there in Nkalango Yokwitima, Mr. Speaker, sir. I was there. And what made me so depressed, frustrated, because was that fact that when the plane went missing, most of our neighbors, ministers were there in Carter Bay. None of them came to the search that day. None of them showed up that day. None of them showed any sympathy. First Deputy Speaker, sir. First Deputy Speaker, sir. I'm speaking from a point of pain. Pain because he was a mentor. Pain because he was our leader. Pain because he was the Vice President of the Republic of Malawi. Pain because I'm here standing today being called a doctor because of him. Thank you very much. God bless.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Speaker, sir. When we were young, we were told about the bad side of MCP. But as young people, we thought it was just a joke. But now we have seen the reality of what MCP can do. And I I believe the last time they came out of power, it was almost 30 years ago. But now it will be more than 40 years. Because they'll have to wait for those unborn babies who doesn't know the history of MCP. It is only those people who are going to vote for MCP. I hope they are going to learn the hard way. Because DPP is here to stay. This country needs a government that is a listening government. And that government is DPP government. What happened in 2020, it was a big accident to this country. And it is not supposed to be repeated. In our lifetime, we will stand here and speak the truth and defend the people who sent us here so that they cannot again be subjected to the harsh realities of the past regime. Mr. Speaker, sir, let me assure you and this House that the people of Chikwawa Central West Constituency, they are so happy and they are totally behind the leadership of Professor Arthur Peter Mutharika. That is why we voted in our large numbers so that the DPP should continue where they stopped. Because for the past 5 years, Chikwawa has been neglected. Nothing has been done in Chikwawa. We were promised roads named Gwanda Jakwamba Highway, Sidigimia Highway. Nothing to show up. But we believe all those roads were initiated by DPP. And we trust the process that only DPP will finish those roads.
Order, members.